I'll show you how to fix the problem if you're a YouTube creator or if you're just a YouTube viewer. If you're a YouTube creator, you want to go into your YouTube studio. Just go to your YouTube channel and then click on Customize Channel. Or in the top right, click on your profile icon and then click on YouTube Studio. And now once we're here, you want to go to the Content tab and then go to the Videos tab. You want to find your video you're having a problem with. Make sure that you have the visibility set to public and then click on Publish. And then the problem should be fixed. If you're trying to view YouTube videos and you can't see them, it might have to do with your extensions. So in the top right of your web browser, click on the three dots and then click on Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. If you have any extensions here that you think may be causing a problem, maybe ad blockers, then you can disable it, or just disable it for YouTube only. Another thing you can try is in the top left, next to the YouTube link, you want to click right here where it says View Site Information, and then click on Cookies and Site Data, and then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. Delete everything that comes up here, and then click on Done. Now you want to click on this again, View Site Information, and then click on Site Settings. If you have any usage data, then click on Delete, and then click on Delete again. Go back to the YouTube tab, and then click on Reload. Sign back into your YouTube account, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.